Have you ever dreamt of cultivating your own fresh, delicious potatoes, even if you have limited space? Well, you're not alone. Welcome to our channel, where today we're diving deep into the art of growing potatoes in small spaces. Specifically, we'll unravel the mysteries of soil and pH, helping you turn your tiny patch of land into a thriving potato paradise. But before we get our hands dirty, let's set the stage for this fascinating journey. Potatoes, versatile and satisfying, can flourish in even the tiniest of gardens. In this video, we'll explore the secrets of successful potato cultivation, even in the coziest of spaces. We'll start by addressing a fundamental question. Why is soil and pH so crucial for your potato plants? 1. The foundation of potato gardening. To understand why soil and pH are key, we must first grasp the basics of potato gardening. Potatoes, those starchy delights, grow underground, making soil quality absolutely essential. Think of soil as the foundation of your potato kingdom. The better the foundation, the more prosperous your potato harvest. Soil comes in various types: sandy, loamy, and clay, each with unique properties. However, there's no one-size-fits-all answer for potato gardening. It all boils down to your location, space, and the nature of your soil. 2. Soil health and pH. Now, let's talk about soil health. The pH level, which measures acidity or alkalinity, plays a vital role. Most crops, including potatoes, prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil, typically around pH 6 to 7. This is the sweet spot, as it allows for optimal nutrient absorption. Testing your soil's pH is a simple process. You can find pH testing kits at your local gardening store or online. Once you know your soil's pH, you can make informed decisions to adjust it if necessary. 3. Amending your soil. Now you might wonder, how do I amend my soil? It's a valid question. We'll break it down into 3 key steps. Step 1. Assess your soil's pH. If it's too acidic, you can add lime to raise the pH or sulfur to lower it. Step 2. Enrich your soil with organic matter like compost. This improves the structure and fertility of your soil. And finally, Step 3. Add essential nutrients. A balanced potato fertilizer is your best friend in this journey. 4. Choosing the right potato varieties. Now that we have a firm grasp of the soil, let's talk about potato varieties. In small spaces, not all potatoes are created equal. Some potato types, like fingerlings and compact or bushes varieties, are more suited for tight spaces. These smaller plants still yield a satisfying harvest without taking up excessive room. 5. Container gardening for potatoes. If your space is truly at a premium, consider container gardening. Potatoes grow exceptionally well in containers. You can control the soil quality more easily, and it's a space-saving solution. Just ensure your containers are deep enough to accommodate potato growth. Now, before we wrap up, here are some quick tips to ensure your small space potato garden thrives. First, provide adequate drainage to prevent waterlogged soil. Second, hilling is crucial. As your potato plants grow, mound soil around them to encourage tuber development. Third, maintain consistent watering. And finally, be vigilant against pests and diseases. CONCLUSION. And there you have it, our guide to growing potatoes in small spaces, focusing on understanding soil and pH. By choosing the right potato varieties, amending your soil, and applying some expert tips, you can enjoy a bountiful potato harvest, no matter how limited your gardening space. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy gardening, my fellow spud enthusiasts.